In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to transfer money using HSBC Bank, whether you are sending funds between your own accounts or to someone else. Let's get started. Open the HSBC mobile banking app or log in to the HSBC online banking website. Enter your login details and verify with your security code if required. From the home screen, tap on Move Money or Transfers. Here, you'll see two options, Between My Accounts, to someone else. Select the option of your choice. Select the From Account and To Account. Enter the amount you want to transfer. If you are sending to a new recipient, you may need to add their account number, short code, or IBAN depending on the transfer type. Double-check transfer details. Select whether you want the transfer to go immediately or on a scheduled date, or as a recurring payment. Tap Continue and confirm the transaction using your digital secure key or verification code. Once confirmed, you'll see a success message. And that's it, you have successfully transferred money using HSBC Bank. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.